Welcome back to Living Local. An upcoming mental health conference is bringing together people from the community as well as professionals and advocates to gain insight and find solutions in the mental health field. And Vera French Community Mental Health Center is holding a Mental Health for Healthy Living conference. And here to tell us more about it is Dr. Rich Whitaker, CEO of Vera French Community Mental Health Center, which is also this segment's sponsor. How are you, man?
Doing great, thanks.
Hey, welcome back to the show.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, let's talk about the conference and what people can expect.
Well, the Mental Health for Healthy Living Conference, that's really our slogan, by the way.
Yeah.
Vera French Mental Health for Healthy Living. You know, this is annual, and it's free to the public. It's happening on May 10th. That's a Friday, from 9 to 1:30. It'll be at the Waterfront Convention Center, and we're just super excited to bring everybody back together for an awesome conference.
Yeah, and let's talk about the topic of the conference, but also this guest speaker, because the guest speaker is pretty exciting.
Yeah, actually, Dr. Joshua Sparrow will be our guest speaker. He's a nationally known child psychiatrist who's worked for over 20 years with kids and families, and you know, he really brings kind of a different kind of focus. His approach, called Touch Points, is all about working with kids and families and treating parents as experts. You know, when I was talking with him, he said something like, you know, people more recently are talking about, you know, helping parents and teach and working with them as experts. But he said, we've been putting that into practice for over 20 years. So really excited about him coming and talking with us about how to do that.
Yeah, and that's a really cool concept too, you know, the parents as experts, because, you know, the kids are looking up to them every single day, and, you know, you want to make sure that you're their entrusted hands, and that's an interesting thing.
Right. You know, we could come in and tell parents what to do, but if we can ask them the right questions and find out what's happening, they can actually help us help them.
Yeah, and who would benefit from attending this conference? And I guess how many people are you expecting too? Because you do this every year?
Yeah, we do it every year. This will be at the Waterfront Convention Center, so we can have 300 people come, and we hope they do.
Yeah.
It is free to the public. It's you know, going to be an awesome event. We're hoping parents, grandparents, teachers, medical professionals, attorneys, students, anybody who's interested in helping, working with kids and families and trying to make a difference. Behavioral health professionals from all over the field, everybody's welcome to come. So hope they do.
And so let's talk about the timeline of events. You said 9 to 1 on May 10th, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're talking about, let me get my cheat sheet out here. 8 o'clock registration. Going to have a light breakfast at 8:15. 9 o'clock, Dr. Sparrow from 9 to 10:15 is going to talk with us about his touch points approach. Have a little break at 10:15, and then we'll have him back at 10:35. He'll finish up, and then we'll have a lunch at 11:30. And right at the kind of midway through the lunch, we're going to bring a panel of experts together. And we're going to talk with Dr. Joshua Sparrow and several other experts from the community, talking about kids and families, how to work with people, and how to make a difference in our own families.
Yeah, I love the idea of the audience being able to ask a panel of experts questions, because, you know, like me, what I love about this job is I get to talk to experts like you and other people and learn about this kind of thing. And I think that's so important. You know, you can listen to a podcast in your car, you can read a book, but there's nothing quite like, you know, a face-to-face interaction to really like learn about something.
Right.
I love that.
You know, having that panel with Dr. Sparrow, I think it's going to give people an opportunity to maybe get some insights that maybe they hadn't thought of before, and take this touch points approach to helping in their own situation too.
Yeah, what I love to say is the best idea in the room doesn't have to be mine, it just has to be the best idea in the room. And you know, when you get a group of people together that are talking, you know, about something like-minded, I think you can really learn and kind of observe, like, oh, I never thought of it that way. And I think it's a great opportunity. And so I love that you make this free for everyone to attend. And how do you go about doing that?
So this is free because of our Vera French Foundation, which has raised money to be able to support this event. It is completely free. The lunch, everything is going to be awesome food and just a great time from 9 to 1:30. So
9 to 1:30.
Hopefully everybody can come.
So yeah, let's get those details again. Friday, May 10th.
May 10th.
9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Waterfront Convention Center.
That's right.
Oh,
right
man,
in Bettendorf.
I tell you, and there's the details there. You can scan the code to learn more about it right there. Well, hey, man, I hope it's a success for you guys. This is great. If they'd let me out of work, I'd be there. But
We'd love to have you too.
I have to do the show that day. They won't let me out, but I'll
right.
talk to you. I'll be like, my mental health is really important, and I think Dr. Rich said I have to go.
Yeah,
so it sounds like a great event, man. I really.
It'll be good, and it's all about mental health for healthy living.
Yeah. Well, hey, man. Thanks so much for being here. It's always a pleasure to see you, Dr. Rich. Thanks, man. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Thank you.
Again, this segment was sponsored by Vera French Community Mental Health Center. For more information, you can go to verafrenchmhc.org. We'll have all those details posted at ourquadcities.com.